David Shaw here with another off-the-record story. If you want to learn more about Washington, D.C., come visit my site, offtherecordtours.com. Let's go. Not all of Washington, D.C.'s landmarks are down on the mall. Here in the Anacostia neighborhood, the landmark is the Big Chair. It's been a focal point of this place since 1959, when it was installed by the Bassett Furniture Company, who made it out of Honduran mahogany on behalf of Curtis Family Furniture that was on this spot. Regrettably, weather and time took a toll on the chair despite its fastidious upkeeping by one individual, and it was replaced in 2006 with one made out of aluminum. But it's the same size, it's the same color, same place, and it still serves as a central focal point for the neighborhood. And it reminds us that there are 700,000 people that live in Washington, D.C.'s neighborhoods, and each one of those neighborhoods has a place that it feels defines itself. So, when you're over in Anacostia, please have a seat. Well, I hope you enjoyed that off-the-record story. If you want to learn more about Washington, D.C., things seen and unseen, arrange your tour of your nation's capital at offtherecordtours.com. Until then, I'm David Shaw.